I need the mower deck belt diagram for a Cub Cadet 3206/48 inches deck.
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. I apologize the quality isn't better, but hopefully this will show you what you need. Hope this helps. If you need more information, please stop and reply to me via the Reply to Expert link in the lower right corner of the ratings box with any issue or remaining question you may have. My reputation as an excellent expert is critical, and I will be happy to continue further and do everything I can to provide you with the best service possible. Your highest rating is my primary goal because that means I've given you the top quality service you deserve. Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.